When you come live, kindly share this live telecast for me. Let people be aware that I'm live. And it sounds good as well. Today is on the 8th of April 2026. And it's a beautiful Wednesday as well. So greetings to you wherever that you find yourself. Okay. Share the link. Share the link. Share the link. Share the link. Share the link for me. Gladys, to say you have a call. Ebenezer, to say you have a call. And say me bar site. I check. Alice, you have a call. You say, I'm here. Share link in the mommy, share link in the mommy. So, Basso, I know I share link in the mommy. So, it sounds great, okay? I'm very happy to see you people watching me live. Share the link and leave your comments at the comment section for me. Whatever that you would love to ask me, you can ask me, okay? So basically, I decided to show you where we've gotten to. So Winnie, how you doing? I believe you are doing great. So share the link for me. Mr. Victor, salute you as well. Alice Assem, good afternoon to you wherever you are. I believe you're also doing great. Okay. So that's just by the way. Share the link into my groups. Abraham Terry, how are you doing? I believe you're also doing well. Greetings to you as well. Okay, Reverend Stephen and Danny Mensa, greetings to you in Italy. Salute you all. I decided to come live and then show you where we've got into. We are done with the internal plastering. We are preparing to come out though we've started with the external plastering as well. So as you can see, that's the building over there. We are about to start the external plastering as well. So as you people can see, that's the two structures over there. So please, this is where we've got into, hoping to finish everything within the space of 2-3 months. So that is it. This is point A. This is another point B. So that is it. In Tejamigusu, I believe that maybe within the space of 3 months we will get everything done. So that's the whole issue. This is exactly the place that the 29th of December's program will be happening. As I've already told you people, 6 bedroom each, 3 powerful halls, a space for office, and then a movie theater. We have a theater in each of the house, and then other secret places as well. I don't want to make mention of it, but so that is it. You can as well watch it. To share haswa. Macho we enye sapiti kotalo. Asphalt. Asphalt. As you can see, I'm working on asphalt. So, as you can see, that's the structure. So just look at the design as well. Look at the design as well. That's the design. They are still working. Today is a beautiful Wednesday. Everybody's working seriously, as you can see. Everybody's working. Point A, point B. Reverend Adakwa, the picture is it? Oh, still it's not clear. Is the network good or it's not good? Osha. Now, when you look at the house, this is one. This is one, as you can see. Now here, where my hands is pointing, is a balcony. And here too, this place too is a balcony where my hands is pointing. Is another balcony. And here too, where the guy is standing, you can see that place is also a balcony. And this is the most extended version of balcony, very big as well. So you have about, I think it is 6 balcony in every building. 6 balcony in every building. One here, 2, and then here 3. You see, this is 1, 2, 3, and then we have another 3 at the back as well. So we have 3 back extended balcony and 2 front extended balcony as well, and sideways like this. So as you can see, where the 2 guys are pulling the sun to the top over there. So gradually you go so kakra. So misika and Sunday I be misika sanso dia. Let's makope baby ada. It shall be well. Easy. So that's just by the way. I am expecting within a space of 2-3 months to complete everything. So that's the whole issue. Reverend Adakwa says, where is Ejase? He just left. We have another mansion within the area. So he has gone there to also pay them a visit. Right? We have another mansion, about 3 of them as well. We have 3 powerful mansions within the society. So he has also gone there to check. Since we don't live in that area, he's just going there to check as well. So this is another two powerful edifices where we want to add to it. So gradually, I think maybe one day the Lord will bless us. I'm just hoping that one day the Lord will bless us and have mercy on us and bless us as well. So that's just by it. So get that. It shall be well. So I just came to show you where we've gotten to. It's not like we have stopped working. We are still working. Hey. So please, that is Reverend Adakwa, that is Mr. Sekami. That's Mr. Sekami. You ask of him, and then here he is. That's Mr. Sekami. So right after this video, what we will do is that today I will actually upload a video, and this video is probably about how the land used to look like and how we acquired the land and the process to which we took the land through and where we have got into. So please, with all due respect, today exactly 8 o'clock p.m. I will release the video so that you can watch from the one to where we have got into. So do well. Do well. So tell your friends that OPATAFUOR says I'm going to release a video about this particular two houses as well. So please, with all due respect, in case if you don't get the clear picture of this, don't worry. I will upload a video. And then you just come back and watch. So thank you very much. Come back and watch it around 8 o'clock p.m. Come back and watch it around 8 o'clock p.m. So 8 o'clock p.m. I'll release the video. Thank you very much. Good day to you all.